I hope you all know video also. Okay, Ken? Do you need more time? Hey, today we just practice more of the questions, all these ratio questions. Okay? At the back got extra time, then we start a bit on rates. But I want all of you to have a better readiness for your ratio. Okay, 9 and 10 are pretty similar to the previous questions. Don't want we do 9 together, then after that you all do 10 yourself. A rope is 33 meters long. Tiara, why are you looking at Elijah with loving eyes?
The rubber snap and then go shoot it.
He throws something at you to make you look at him.
The rubber snap.
So is Elijah trying to catch her attention? You like men? Is that why you're sitting so close to Zheng Xuan? Is it mutual? Zheng Okay. Question 9. A rope is 33 meters long. So originally we have a rope, then we cut it into two. One part is a bit longer, one part is a bit shorter. The ratio is 6:5. This is the story. Meaning, if we add the two parts together, it should be 33 meters long. Okay? Meaning, if I add 6 and 5 together, this 11 units will represent the entire rope. So 11 units will represent the entire rope, which is 33 meters. From there, we can know how long is each unit. Each unit is 3 meters long.
Pause. 3 meters.
Jairus, you were sitting there, right? I told you to sit there.
I'm gonna die.
Right. Oh.
It's not gonna get a snap.
I may be old and forgetful.
So you see, right?
Okay. But this 3 meters is not the answer to any of the question. It is just part of finding the answer to the question. What they are asking for is length of each part of the rope. Meaning, they want to know the two ropes that are cut out from it. Now, how long are each of them? So we want to know this 6 unit is how long and this 5 unit is how long. So each unit is 3, 6 times 3, 18. 5 times 3, 15. answer to part 1 already. The road cut into 2. So the lengths are 18 meter and 15 meter. Then when we come to part 2, they say that now each part of the road, meaning this 18 and this 15, each of them I also cut 6 meter away. Okay? So now there are 2 roads. One is 18, one is 15. I want to cut away another 6. Cut away another 6. Then what is the ratio of the remaining? So 18 cut away 6, left with 12. 15 cut away 6, left with 9. So the new ratio is 12 is to 9. Yes, thank you, Wicked. 12 is to 9, which can be simplified to 4 is to 3. Answering like a boss. Okay, is this too easy? Going too slow? Okay, then you all try question 10 on your own before we do question 11. Or else you always say go home no time. Do now. Question 10. Those who finish, look at 11, look at 12, look at 13. Slowly break down the story and calculate what you need to calculate. Fiona can start. This question 1. Five minutes left. We go through at 11:26. This should be a 4 marks question. Right. Correct. That is the very first step. Yes. More questions only. Yes. We will go through class. So if you finish, wait for me to go through class. Then wait. How you want to come and dance and sing for us? Yes. Okay, all done. I believe so. I look around, most of you are able to do. Outside. Wait, I'll be not. Okay. Let us take a look. Bill and Zach rent an apartment. The money to rent the apartment is 1560. Then they rent together, so they share the bill. One person pays 680, the other pay the rest. Then they want you to write the amount of rent paid by Bill and Zach as a ratio. So you know you have to work backward. You need to know how much Zach pay. So the two of them add up to 1560. So if I take 1560 minus 680, I will know how much Zach pay. So Zach pay 880. Then ratio by Bill and Zach. Bill come first, Zach come later. So Bill is to Zach.
And the bill is red.
Bill is 680, Zach is 880. They are both dollars. So no need to write the unit also can. The unit can cancel out each other already. So 680 to 880. I will press calculator. My brain not good. Some of you, your brain good one, you use your brain. 17 is to 22.
How is it 7? Oh.
You do yourself or you use calculator or which part do wrongly?
Myself.
Yourself.
Myself do wrongly.
Okay.
So got to do.
Okay? Okay, Bill and Zach also share the cost by the refrigerator. Bill pay a bit more, Zach pay a bit less. And Zach part is 596. So 596 is these two units. So if 2 units is 596. 1 unit is 596 divided by 298. Then Bill pay 3 units. So we find 3 units. Yes. 3 times 298. 894. Any problem? No. Okay? Can Okay. Then 11. let us do together because 11 is a bit more different and I want to show you all how we present.
Oh, this piece of gold.
Okay, Ken? Have you all read through? Okay, so for question 11, we are mixing 3 different juice. They only give us ratio between 2 of them, 2 times. Then they want us to put them together. So we have ratio of apple to pear, we have pear to strawberry, then we want to put all 3 in one line. Okay? Hey, why is it here a lot? Okay, so we are given 2 ratio and then we are told to put all the 3 ratio together. Okay, so we can start with apple juice to pear juice. We know it is 3:5. Okay, then we finally want apple juice, pear juice, strawberry juice. So there is still a strawberry juice. We don't know how much is strawberry juice when apple juice is 3 units. We don't know how many units strawberry juice is. So we cannot straight away write them in one line. What we can do is in the next line, we write pear juice to strawberry juice. So it is 3:8. Okay? Okay. We cannot leave it like that in 2 lines. What we want is finally everything 1 line. So when apple juice is 3 unit, pear juice is 5 unit. But we don't know this one. Then when pear juice is 3 unit, strawberry juice is 8 unit, but we don't know what is apple juice. So how can we make it known of all? Yes, we need to multiply something until the common one become the same. Okay? Yes. So the lowest common multiple of 5 and 3 is 15. So we need to multiply 3 to everything here. If we multiply 3, it will become 15. Then we will have 15 here. Then this one we must multiply 3. So it will become 9. Okay?
40.
3 to become 15, we need to multiply 5. So this whole line, they are a ratio. If this line I multiply 5, this side I must also multiply 5 to get what is actual strawberry. 8 times 5.
40.
Okay? Can? So those are the thinking involved. 2 separate ratio, there is a common one. Use the common one to help you balance out all 3 parts. Okay? This This one is the more difficult part of ratio also. Okay, 12, also difficult.
In today's video, Marty and Simon
Huh? Great. I don't need it. Thank you for asking. I don't need.
today's sponsor it is NordVPN. Want to watch Netflix on iPad? I don't know. Going on live.
Okay, come. Do part 1. I believe part 1 you should be able to do. Not that difficult, right?
Hey, Chris,
The ratio is 5:7. 5 boys to every 7 girls, or every 5 boys or 7 girls. All together got 60. So how do we work out how many boys are there?
so 5 plus 7 equals 12, and then 6 divided by 12, 5.
Very good. Jarius is explaining to everyone already the correct procedure.
Equals how many?
Ah. Okay, should be quite fast, Part 1. 60 divided by 12 equals to 5. 5 times 5 equals to 25. Okay, next part. Some boys join the camp. Then ratio change. From 5:7 becomes 6:7. We don't know how many boys join, but we are supposed to find out.
We know how much is 1 unit.
Okay. Just now, Jarius say find each unit multiply by 5. So now you say you know how many units. So are you thinking, Darius, now 6 times 5? Okay, is 6 times 5 the correct way to find the? Why? Yes, well done. There is a new total. Okay, now your 6 and 7, they no longer adds up to 60. They no longer adds up to 60. Not 60 anymore. Okay? So when we have 6:7, each unit is no longer 5. We don't know how many total now, because we also don't know how many boys join. But throughout this whole storyline, the number of girls never change. Okay? So we can go and look back. How many girls was there?
7 times 5. 7 times 5.
The camp got 60 people. 25 are boys. Then 60 minus 25, you get 35 girls already. Unless was not boy, not girl. Okay? Then this number of girls unchanged even when the boys were added. So now with this new ratio, these 7 units represent 35 girls. Okay? See?
Why is it still 5?
Yeah, why is it still 5? I did something wrong, I think.
This doesn't still 9.
We need to find out what the number became. We find out what the number became.
We find out the total. We don't need 5 more boys.
Even number of boys.
Hey, correct. Really, but it just happens to be the same. So we cannot straight away multiply 6. We have to first work out each girl is how much. But this time it happens to be the same.
That's around like $500,000 for two.
Okay, but your answer doesn't end there. They want to know how many boys join the camp. So 30 minus 25 equals to 5 boys.
Get paid enough. My boss give me my pay.
No,
Yes or no?
no. Singapore also nobody die of first one.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, go break. Go fill up the come back 11:45, then we can start break already. Eat. No. Not your stack break, right? Yeah. Where got fast ratio, we took 1 day, 2 day already there.
Already ah, sure.
And ratios, most of you are able to do it quite well.